including the American law, which have taken the trouble to read and which have had access to it for many years.
Dr. Kamuna, we made proposals and we gave directions. Apparently, you are not satisfied. What is your version? What would you want us? You want to give everybody how much time?
My Lord, forget about the concept of time. Forget, where are we heading for? What are we heading for?
So, yeah.
Yeah, we want the country to wake up and to revive and to give the life to the country. The country is Kenya, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Your Honor, let the lawyers say what they want to say. This should be part of the healing process of the whole country.
Dr. Kameno, I ask you,
yes.
We have given directions on time allocation.
Your hands are not tied with respect.
Okay, just tell us, in your view, how much time do you want us to allocate parties?
What I'm saying to the tremendous respect, my Lord, we talk about the time in the civil matters and so. But we are dealing here with the issue of impeachment. Issue of impeachment of the deputy president. It's not a small matter at all. It's a matter that is starting the whole nation. It has paralyzed the nation.
We have heard you, Dr. Kameno.
Let all Peter be given as much time as he wants. Let the professor be given as much time as he wants. Let the owner of Attorney General be given as much time as he wants. That is the healing process. And from this court, we shall all march forward with confidence. If I may quote Mutaji Makinata, before and bearing the matako nyuma. Let us look at about for time. Where are we going? Where are we going with
maybe I can assist Dr. Kameno.
With respect, will you sit down? Kameno is talking. Will you sit down? I am talking. I have got the floor.
Under the rules of this court, senior counsel has preference, speaks first before any other person except the Attorney General. So if you would please sit down. I as senior counsel.
I will not sit down. We are practicing all that we are doing breastfeeding.
That is also so
why not? My Lord, what I'm saying,
finish what you are saying.
What I'm saying to you, my Lord, we need a healing process, and this court is going to provide that healing process. Let the lawyers say what they want to say. What are we heading for? Let us not have some people calling themselves professor or senior counsel, titles that don't mean anything at all when they come to you.
I think they mean something, Dr. Kameno. They do mean something.
Something means something when it's you and you approve it. Yeah. My Lord, all that I'm saying to you, let people talk. Let people address you. Where are we going?
People will talk.
When the country is burning.
Dr. Kameno, you have made your point.
Yes, thank you very much.
You have made your point.
I have made a point.
Professor.
We have a Chief Justice who has been removed regularly. Let us be given the time to be able to address it.
My Lord, I think those of us who are representing substantive.
Counsel, listen to this and listen to this very carefully. All of us acknowledge the momentous import of the proceedings before us. And all of us are enjoined by the rules of natural justice to do what is right. This bench is not going to be taken round in circles. We will not be taken round in circles. We are here to do justice for the petitioners, justice for the respondents. And anything which is intended to delay these proceedings will not be acceptable because both parties have come to this court under certificate of urgency. Let us be very careful how we argue our matters. We want everybody before us to get justice. That justice will not be possible if every advocate who stands up wants to take the cause in cycle. We will not allow that. I'm making final directions on this matter. The matter which we are dealing with is an application dated 22nd of October 2024 by Jindo Matiba and Company Advocates. It seeks orders under Rule 3 of the Constitution. And we are dealing with the issue of empanelment. And then after that, we'll make a ruling for the way forward. So let us proceed. Let us be courteous to each other. Let us be courteous to the parties before us. Parties before us are very okay, but let's not be a theater by advocates to derail the process. I beg you. On the issue of time allocation, Judge Mureba will give the final issue directions on time.
Okay, this is how we'll proceed. The applicant applicants, they will have 20 minutes to argue their application. Any party in support of that application will have 5 minutes to support that application. The respondents,
I could only prepare for certain aspects of this application. My colleagues, Professor Gada, and my colleagues, Gachagua'S, within the 20 minutes that you have allocated, I will say my piece. It is insufficient, but I'll try. Please give Ms. Professor Gada and Mr. Gachagua'S 10 minutes each, and at the end, when we hear what the respondents are saying, you kindly give me to indicate 20 minutes to do arrangement. That will enable us to be able to proceed without anybody feeling we want to be here forever. We don't actually want to be here forever. We want to deal with the business of the day. So that does not change any time allocations by more than 30 minutes. So I urge you a lot.
So who's starting?
I'm starting. Okay. Yes. So that I do 20 or Gada 20 because he has to deal with some authorities. I didn't get enough time. I mean, 10. Then I'll do the rejoinder. My Lord, the application that is before you is dated today. It is supported by the affidavit sworn by. It is supported by the affidavit sworn by Honorable David Muni Madenge. And for the record, all lawyers from Matiba, Ogada, Ndegwa, and myself, the record indicates we act for everybody without drawing any distinctions because there will be no time for that. So we act for all the respondents, all the petitioners, for purposes of E015. My Lord, before going on to argue this application, there is a small point that I wish to make regarding the issue of